Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the wireless charging not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, restart device, just click and hold side power button and volume down button. Restart device from here. After restarting, enter your phone pin, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's not solved, go to App Library, scroll down and click on Settings app. Now in Settings, scroll down and click on Software Update. After click on Software Update, you will check your software update is latest. If it's not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it still not solved, click on Settings app. Scroll down and click on Battery. After click on Battery, click on Charging Settings and turn on Fast Wireless Charging. After turn on Fast Wireless Charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix the wireless charging not working issue on Samsung Galaxy A57. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.